Hey guys, good morning from beautiful sunny Mazatlan, Mexico. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My channel is all about everything Mazatlan. My name is Dwight Burditt, but you can call me Dewey, everybody does. Today's video is about going shooting pool in Mazatlan. Man, that's something I haven't done in a while. I figured it was 28 years. Anyway, we played teams, which was nice. And I won. And I did it without sinking a ball. I might have had a little help from my friend Darwin, who tends to be a little better than the rest of us. But, that doesn't matter. Beautiful place, the Black Diamond Billiard Hall in Centro. And they have Pacifico beer for 25 pesos. They have really good air conditioning. They play great music. We listened to the Rolling Stones most of the afternoon, and they were kind enough to turn it down so I could make this video for you. So here we go. Well guys, good afternoon from sunny, beautiful Mazatlán, where it's smoking hot today. I'm looking for a place called Black Diamond Billiards. I've never been there before. I've seen it. Some of my buddies were supposed to be here today shooting a little pool. So we'll see what we can see. Yeah, I think it's right here. The vacuum cleaner you hear in the background there, car wash across the street. Yeah, Black Diamond. Yeah, sports bar. Cool. Hey guys. Yeah. Mucho cuidado. Smell of pine tar. It's fresh in here. Good. How you guys doing? This is Darwin, Eli, Jaime. I think you've seen them all before in the previous video. I've never been in this place. It's quite nice. Lots of tables.
We smell the Fabajosa.
Yeah, like a pine salt smell all over the place here. Anyway, guys, I hope to shoot some half-decent video of pool.
Yeah, are you gonna play?
I haven't played pool, and I was just thinking today. I think it's. I think it's been 28 years since I played.
Yeah, but it hasn't been 28 hours since I played.
That's what I'm afraid of. Okay.
I probably played 28 games in the last year. Do you think I played more?
Well, last time I played, I was living in Jasper, and then I moved to Vancouver. I stayed there for 12 years. Then I moved back to New Brunswick. I stayed there for 8 or 9, and I moved down here for 8 or 9.
Yeah.
And the only games I've had, I played some with the Mexican dudes in the Polluelos.
Okay, yeah.
Played that Mexican pool, and they beat me easily because I didn't know what I was
Well,
doing.
even when we play is well, we call it rotation, I guess. I don't know. So I asked the person what they call it, they go pool. I said, I know it's pool, but when they call it pool.
Yeah. I went through that with them too.
I don't know if there's an actual, they have to give it.
Who's this fine-looking gentleman in this picture? Oh, Pedro Infante. He was like a Mexican Elvis. And in one of my videos,
Martin Brandon got him on the motorcycle down at the end of Bologna.
yeah, maybe it is, yeah. Yeah, I walked down Constitution, did a video on that. I think it's Constitution. And his childhood home is down there. And it's a museum now. Did you get a hold of Harold? Did he answer you?
No.
But you said you were gonna. You were gonna email.
I told you to.
Oh, I didn't read that. I missed that part.
You missed that part.
Oh, damn. I read just not well. Oh, it's awful. Awful.
4 more months.
Well, they said with the index is 41 yesterday.
Yeah, it was hot.
And Judy said we think the max is going to lower. What do you cool it down in other places north where the mid-40s yesterday?
Oh.
The index.
Yeah, just the ambient temperature. Yeah, terrible. Well, guys, stay tuned for some top-notch pool. Well, guys, they had music on, but he very kindly turned it off for us, and we're watching Minnesota Fats here. Minnesota Slim.
There's nothing slim about them.
Yeah, they got nice tables here.
It's suave, it's not thin. Hey, Darwin.
Yeah, that's it. Is that it? That's the game? Yep.
Hey, Dad.
You like
Don's in town? Yeah, I'm down.
How you doing?
Don's in town.
Well, you're going to see how they set this up. This is a pool game I've only ever seen played in Mexico, and everybody plays it here in Mazatlan, and they just call it pool. All the balls go on the rail, and you kind of shoot them in order like a 9-ball, but when you sink one, you get the points that are the number of the ball.
There you go, buddy.
So it's possible to win the game because there's just not enough points left on the board.
You have to know arithmetic to play this.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I don't play.
Look out to 61 at least.
That's why I don't play darts either. We're never very good at math.
Okay, here comes a wicket break.
What's your one, buddy? Check out here.
So they're after the 3-ball, the red one. Oh, I thought that was gone.
That is just cruel.
Well, what's brutal is the lead. Except this shot.
It's been so long since I played this, I can't remember. There's not like 9-ball where you can sink the 9 and...
Oh yeah, as long as you get the option ball first, anything can go down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can combo and...
Okay. Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Yeah, a lot of swap is involved in this game sometimes.
When I first came to Mazatlan, I played this quite a bit in a bar called the Polluelos with the Mexican guys, and they were very kind. They put up with my crappy
Yeah,
pool.
last Wednesday.
How's that feeling?
Yeah, it was good. It was mixed, but it was good. Boy, don't take the fucking cue ball. We don't take the option ball.
But, does that go there?
Yeah.
It's kind of like
On the
starting
game
all
on the
over.
side.
Now, guys, you kind of get the idea of what we're up to. And the gentleman was kind enough to turn his music down. I'm not going to...
We've had 4 shots
Time up.
each at it.
Yeah, yeah.
Made it, yeah.
Yeah, this could take a while.
You got enough batteries in that
You
thing?
know,
Good leave.
Okay.
And you don't get any points.
I'm getting on a roll.
There, now get rid of
I'm
that.
getting on a roll right now.
come on, Jaime.
I am.
Oh!
Same.
Same thing?
Same.
Just rejecting him today.
There.
Alright. Got rid of it.
Yeah, I hooked myself.
It's on the glove. What are you?
Anyway, guys,
you
thanks
want
for
the
watching.
top or bottom there?
Top's fine.
It's lovely and air conditioned in here today. Holy moly, it's hot outside.
Oh, I tried that.
The boys say this is a really good table, nice and level. Good progress.
Yeah, the only thing that'll go on the side is the cue ball.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Did you end up